Good evening, students. As our syllabus has been completed, so today we are going to start the revision from chapter number 13, surface area and volumes. Firstly, we will revise the surface area. Let us revise the formulas. Number 1, cube. For cube, curved surface area and total surface area we have to find. As already I have told you, curved surface area means area of the four walls or area of a round, and total surface area we include top and bottom also. So curved surface area of cube is 4a square and total surface area is 6a square, where a is the side of the cube. Then cuboid. In cuboid, curved surface area is 2 into L plus B into H and total surface area is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, where L is the length, B is the breadth and H is the height of cuboid. After that, cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH and total surface area is 2 pi R into R plus H. As this is cylinder, so in curved surface area we will take only this area, and in total we include top and bottom circle also. Here R is the radius and H is the height. Then cone. Curved surface area of cone is pi RL and total surface area pi R into R plus L, where R is radius and L is the slant height, and L is equal to value of L. If not given, then we have to find that is equal to square root of H square plus R square. H is the height and R is the radius. Suppose this is the cone, so this is the height, this is radius, and this slant is the slant height. Okay. Then sphere. In sphere, we are taking only surface area, because in sphere total surface and curved surface both are equal to 4 by R square. This is the sphere, so its total area. Then hemisphere. Hemisphere is half of the sphere in this shape. Okay, so curved surface area of hemisphere is half of the sphere, that is 2 pi R square, and in total surface area we have to include this one area also, that is pi R square. So total surface area is 3 pi R square. Okay. Now students, exercises already we have done, so today we will revise the examples. Let us start from first example. Here we have given that Mary wants to decorate her Christmas tree and she wants to place the tree on a wooden box, and that wooden box she has to cover with the color paper, and the length, breadth and height of the paper is given. We have to find how many square sheets of paper would be required. So firstly we will find the total surface area, because the wooden box will be covered from all sides. So here we will find total surface area of the box, that is 2LB plus BH plus HL, and then we find area of the square sheet, that is side into side, because area of square is side into side. Now we have to find number of sheets. For that we will divide surface area of box with area of one sheet, and in this way we will get the number of sheets required to cover the color box. Second example. Here we have given Hamid has built a cubical water tank with square tiles. Dimension of square tile given, and the length and breadth of the outer edge of the cubical tank given. We have to find how many tiles, how many rupees will be spent if cost of tile is 360 per dozen. It means firstly we have to find number of tiles. For number of tiles we have to find surface area of tank, then area of each tile. We will divide these two, we get number of tiles. Then cost of 12 tiles, cost of 1, and then cost of 180 tiles. In this way we can find the cost. After that, this was the examples from the cube and cuboid. Then cylinder. For cylinder we are here having only one example. For her, Savitri had to make a model of cylindrical kaleidoscope. For her length of she wants to use a chart paper, and we have to find area of chart paper required if length and radius of the kaleidoscope given. So here we will find the curved surface area, because it has to be covered from the round side, that is 2 pi RH. Put the values and we can find the answer. Then there is exercise that you will do by yourself, or once I have sent you. Then cone. For cone we will use the formula pi R plus L for total surface area and pi RL for curved surface area. So here, as in this question, we have to find curved surface area, radius given and L given. We can find by using the formula by putting values. As in next question, we have given height and the base radius, and we have to find curved surface and total. We know for curved surface and total surface we need slant height. So slant height L is equal to H square plus R square square root. Firstly find value of L, then put the values in the formula and find out the answer. Next topic is sphere. We have given radius of sphere and we have to find surface area 4 pi r square. Okay. For hemisphere, radius is given, curved surface and total surface we have to find for curved surface 2 pi r square and for total surface 3 pi r square. So by putting in these two, we can find the answer. So beta, in this way you can solve the exercises, and your test is on Saturday. If any doubt is there, then you can discuss in tomorrow's Zoom class. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.